Good morning. It's Friday, the 19th of June, 2026. And this is episode 20 of 6 Minutes of Silence. 4 weeks, 20 episodes. Every weekday morning, the same door. Today, the week that just happened to India and to the world. Something for the weekend grill and a poem that feels exactly right for a day like this. Let's go. 4 weeks of this show, and this week was the most coherent week of news we've had. 1. The kill switch became real. On Monday, the US government sent a letter to an AI company and took 2 of its most powerful models offline for the whole world within hours. First time that power was ever used. A precedent that will be used again. 2. India found its place in 3 parts. On Tuesday, the IT pyramid that built India's middle class is flattening. 12,000 jobs at TCS, 15,000 at Cognizant. The ladder out, getting shorter. On Wednesday, Sarvam became India's newest AI unicorn. BharatGen launched India's first sovereign AI for 22 Indian languages. India isn't just losing to AI, India is building it. On Thursday, Prime Minister Modi showed up at 3 different tables: Slovakia, the G7, Paris, to say India wants a seat where the rules are written. Losing some jobs, building some tools, negotiating some rules, all in the same week. That's what it actually looks like. 3. The rocket bet on the code. SpaceX completed its IPO and immediately agreed to pay $60 billion for Cursor, an AI coding startup that's just 2 years old. A company that builds rockets just decided the future is writing code. Make of that what we will. 3 threats, a kill switch, a country finding its place, a rocket that chose software. That's the shape of week 4. It's Friday, and today, something that belongs on a weekend. A few weeks ago, I told you about the Bandrum Base. 4 ingredients: brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, salt. Equal parts of the first 3, half as much salt. Today, what the base is actually for. Take a whole chicken, split it flat, spatchcock it, press down on the breastbone until it cracks and lies open. Rub the Bandrum Base generously all over, under the skin where you can reach, and over the top. Let it sit for at least 2 hours. Overnight is better. The sugar does something slow and irreversible to the surface. On the Weber Kettle, set it up for indirect heat. Coals to one side, lid on, temperature around 170-180 Celsius. Chicken goes on the cooler side, skin side up. Cook for 45 minutes to an hour. Then flip to the hot side for the last 10 minutes to crisp the skin. The sugar in the base caramelizes spray bark. The salt pulls the moisture back in. The smoke does the rest. You can add anything on top of the base: paprika, cumin, coffee grounds, chilli. But even just the 4 ingredients will take care of you. Make this for someone you want to feed well. And now, a poem to close the week. From 50 Rooms of Silence, my book published by Romancel, with a kind word from Dr. Shashi Tharoor. It felt right to end the week with one about exactly this, looking back and wanting to go further. It's called A New Leaf. Tired of old ways, wanna turn over a new leaf. How to, am I not man enough? I believe I am. Tired of old ways, ways of hatred, of disbelief, of childishness, of all old and bad ways of this world. Gotta make my life better, something to cherish, something to look back, to be brave of, to be happy about. Gotta be a better one. Life, that is, to look back and feel been done justice. Tired of old ways, wanna go new places, wanna go new heights, wanna explore paths anew. That was episode 20 of 6 Minutes of Silence. Thank you for spending these 4 weeks with me. I'll see you Monday, same room, different door.